Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 6, Lesson 18 and 19. In these lessons, we're talking about being able to solve using different strategies for adding two-digit numbers with varied sums. So, looking at this one, 34 plus 46 equals blank. We can use many different types of strategies that we've talked about. Two that I'm going to show you guys today is decomposing, when you break apart both numbers, or drawing the pictures vertically and then solving it that way. Alright, so now looking at this 34 plus 46, I'm going to show the decomposing way first. So first what you do is you break apart both numbers into tens and ones. Well, I know that 34 is 30, then 4. And 46 is 40 and 6. I'm going to erase that 4 and draw it again. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 10s, 30 and 40, which I know is 70. Then I'm going to add my 1s, which is 4 plus 6, that equals 10. Now I'm going to add my leftovers, which since I added these all together, 70 and 10, that was what was left over once I added them. So 70 plus 10 equals 80. Alright, so now we know that it is 80, but I'm going to show you how you could solve the same problem using another strategy. This strategy that I'm going to use is doing the picture, but I'm going to do it vertically, and then I'm going to rewrite the numbers in its vertically as well. So looking at this 34 plus 46, well, I'm going to draw my picture and I am going to do it vertically, which means that the numbers, whenever I draw them, are going to be on top of each other. So remember, you're going to have that imaginary line. You can draw it or you can just imagine it. So I'm just going to imagine my line. Remember that line that you draw or that you just picture? That line is just to help you be able to organize your tens and ones and divide those tens and ones up to where they don't get confused. So 34 I know has 3 tens, 4 ones. And 46 has 4 tens, 6 ones, 5, 6. Alright, so now I know that I'm going to look at my ones to see if I can make a new 10. So let's see, I'm going to count my ones. If I count to 10, and there's at least 10 ones, then I know that those 10 can move to make a new 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there is 10. I can use those to bundle them up and make a new 10. Now, how many ones are left over? Well, 0 ones are left over. And now I'm looking at this. How many 10s do I have? Well, 1 10, 2 10. Let me count again. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10. So I know that it is 80. Now I'm also going to rewrite this number since vertically. Now looking at this, it's almost like a place value chart. My 10s are over here, my 1s are over here. And actually, if you look at it really closely, it looks like the picture. My 10s, I know, is all over here. And my 1s are all over here. Look, my 1s are over there, my 1s are on this side, so they're all organized. So now, looking at this, I'm going to add my 1s together, which is 4 1s plus 6 1s. Well, I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. Well, ooh, that's 10. That means I can bundle it together and move it over. So since that's that 10, I'm going to bundle it together. Now I'm going to move that 1 10 over here. I'm putting a 1 on the line so I don't forget to add it. And that means there's going to be 0 ones left since I bundled those. And then this 3 10s plus 4 10s, I know is 7 10s. But I have to add this one more, that is 8 10s. So we know that it is 80. Alright guys, that's it for this video.